شكرا brother Ali. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Frigid, frozen, Minnesota, chip on his shoulder, sick sleeping on a pissy sofa, unwanted visitor in a different culture, missing home and can't go, they civil warring. Listen soldier, forget getting over, prison sit around the corner, homelessness even closer, kids with similar skin color still don't want you, spitting and you, cause they been here longer. You leave the crib, it's guaranteed the pigs approach you. Where you going, where you from, any weapons on you? Your family is stressed out, you're getting older, you don't live the way they did back in Somalia. It's extra difficult to be a daughter, trying to keep it modest and sinners all around you. Wear the wrong garment, your parents get an ulcer. If you wrap it up, the other children picking on you.
Living two worlds with your eyes closed, tiptoeing on a tightrope, holding on for survival.
Nobody to blame, it's just how it goes.
Living two worlds with your eyes closed, tiptoeing on a tightrope.
Nobody to blame, it's just how it goes. Holidays and you know what the business is. You get 2 birthdays and 2 Christmases. Older you get, you resent how sick it is. They're trying to cover their guilt with the gifts they give. Bounce from his house to her house. Too bad that marriage didn't work out. Now you don't have a your house. Daddy fighting mommy, they both tell me they love me. If I get too close to one, the other one start acting funny. Mom went and had a baby with a different dad. You act happy to please him, but you're really sad. Seeing firsthand